Hi everybody! In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Google OAuth in n8n step by step. We will walk through everything you need to do, even if you have never done it before. By the end of this video, you will be able to connect your Google account to n8n and use it in your workflows. Let's begin with the Google side of things. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. You can find it at console.cloud.google.com. If you are not already logged in, sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click the project drop-down at the top of the screen. If you don't have a project yet, click on New Project. Give your project a name. It can be anything like n8n OAuth test. Click Create. After that, select your new project from the list. Now go to the left-hand menu and click on APIs and Services. Then click on Credentials. Here, click the blue Create Credentials button and choose OAuth Client ID. Before creating the credentials, Google will ask you to configure the OAuth consent screen. Click the button to do that. Choose External for the user type and click Create. Now you can create the OAuth credentials. Click Create Credentials again and choose OAuth Client ID. For the application type, select Web Application. Give it a name. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI and type in the n8n redirect URL. If you are using n8n locally, it will be http://localhost:5678/rest/oauth2/credential/callback. Make sure there are no typos. Click Create. Now you will see your client ID and client secret. Copy both of them. You will need these in n8n. Next, open n8n in your browser. Go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, then click Credentials. Click on New Credential and choose Google from the list. Select OAuth2 as the authentication type. Now enter your client ID and client secret. Then paste the same redirect URL you used in the Google Cloud Console. This ensures that Google redirects back to n8n after the login. Set the scopes you need. If you're not sure, you can use the default or check Google's documentation for the correct scope. For example, to access your Google Drive, use the Drive scope. Once you set that, click Connect OAuth to Account. A new window will open. Sign in with your Google account and allow access. If everything worked, the window will close and your credential will be saved. You will see a green check mark next to it. Now you can use your Google account in any n8n workflow. Just add a Google node and select your new OAuth credential. That's all you need to do to set up Google OAuth in n8n. You only need to do this setup once. After that, your credentials will be ready to use anytime you need them.